Welcome to solverfy.
Given the following description of steps of an overall reaction, we can write equations for each process as well as the overall reaction. When we talk about a chlorine atom, while typically in reactions we're using a diatomic molecule, the chlorine atom is just Cl. Reacts with ozone, which is O3, to form chlorine monoxide. Chlorine monoxide is a compound that has chlorine, and monoxide means one oxygen, plus molecular oxygen. Molecular oxygen is O2. So our first step is written like this. And we can see that it's balanced the way it's written. One chlorine on both sides, three oxygens on both sides. Our second step takes the chlorine monoxide that we formed in the first step and reacts to form this intermediate compound, ClO, OCl. As it's written, there's one chlorine on this side, but two chlorines on this side, and one oxygen, but two. So to balance it, we need to put a 2 here, giving us two chlorines and two oxygens on both sides. Finally, in the third step of this process, take the intermediate that we made in step 2, and it breaks apart to make chlorine atoms, which again are Cl, plus molecular oxygen, which is O2. Again, this needs to be balanced because while there are two oxygens on both sides, there are two chlorines on this side and only one on this side. So the equation for each step is written as follows. We can look at the overall equation by adding up all the steps and then canceling out anything that appears on both sides. So we take all of our reactants, and all of our products, since this appears on both sides, we can cross it out and simplify. And I'm going to combine my like terms. So there are two oxygens. And then I can reduce terms. So since there's a chlorine on this side and two chlorines on this side, and this and two here, the overall equation is written as follows.